getting ready to set up a blind this evening for tomorrow morning's hunt. We got bad weather moving in, rain, wind. We're back out on this point where we chased that bird with Beau, and we're gonna set this blind up. Me and Johnny are gonna set it up tonight out on this point where he's been strutting. He was out there again this morning gobbling, which we didn't hunt this morning. We're gonna bring Beau back up in here tomorrow morning in the dark, real early. Just set up, maybe make a few light calls, wait for that bird to pitch down because he's roosting back in here. So he likes to come out to this point right out here and strut. That's his strut zone. We're gonna go ahead and get ahead of him, get to where he wants to be at, be ready in the blind just in case it's raining, whatever in the morning. So stay tuned. Well, it's the morning of April 30th. Johnny and I came in here last night and set up this blind, trying to get on this turkey that we've chased a couple times for Beau here on the farm. It rained like crazy yesterday and all night through the night. It was supposed to be raining this morning. We got out here on this point where he likes to come out and strut. So we got the decoys out, got the new avians out there, the HDRs, and it's a little breezy this morning, but we're gonna sit here and wait it out for the long haul because we know this bird has been out here at least 5 or 6 times. I've heard him from the front porch and we've chased him a few days. Today is the day. Beau said we're gonna kill a turkey, so he's itching to kill one. It's his first bird if he gets one, so we're ready for it. Stay tuned.
I'm ready to kill a turkey.
It's about 8:45. We've been sitting in the blind for a little bit. Had a few different birds gobbling on the roost. The one we're after was gobbled back where he was roosted at the other morning. But we also had some birds out this direction gobbling. Well, just a little bit ago, that bird finally, we'd stay here quiet for a while. That bird finally worked down. We're up on top of it on the ridge where he likes to strut. He worked all the way down in front of us on a little logging bench, and he would not leave that and come up the hill. So we're just sitting quiet right now. We got all day to hunt. So I'm just gonna sit here, not call, because he's gobbling right now. He's coming back. It sounds like he's working his direction. So patience, I guess. We're gonna see how patient we can be. Beau's got the phone, so he's entertained for a minute. These things are aggravating as can be. I hope if we kill this bird, he better be a monster with a big old thick beard, 1.5 inch spurs or something. He's an old bird because the way he's acting, he's smarter than us. Well, welcome back. It's about 6:30. We're in the blind this morning again, chasing after this bird here at the house. He's been driving us crazy. We got Beau hunting. Got Tanner running the camera, his first time out ever hunting anything. So this bird's gobbling on the limb right now where he's usually been at. We got a real nice morning right now. It's about 63, 64 degrees. Nice and clear. Hopefully this bird works up here on this big oak flat where he's been strutting and doesn't do like he did us last time and stay right over the roll.
him! Yes! Oh my God! That's a giant! Woo! Yes! Yes! Look at that beard! That's bigger than any turkey I've ever shot. Come here, bud. That's a giant.
I just put the red dot right on him.
Look at that. That's awesome.
I said last night I want to come home with a turkey on my back.
You're coming over the turkey on your back, bud. You're coming over the turkey on your back.
We've been chasing this bird for like 5 days or so, and we finally got him.
He's a monster, isn't he? This is Beau's first turkey, and it's better than any turkey I've ever shot, but we've worked this bird here on the farm for 5 or 6 days. We could hear him from the porch. This morning we took Tanner out, his first hunt, just to go see how he liked it.
He was our good luck charm.
He was definitely our good luck charm, our cameraman. This bird, I thought he was gonna get away. He came in quiet. We had more birds gobbling behind the blind, and he came in quiet, and when he gobbled the first time, he was on top of us. But he worked down below the decoys, and I thought he was gonna get away, and he circled all the way back up and around, and Beau just put a awesome shot on him. That TSS
I put a shell in his head.
That TSS just rocked him, just dropped him solid. So spur season here in Ohio, it's still rolling.
Y'all ready for this?
Hey Brian, what's going on?
Good to see you, Mike.
Great to see you. You got my order?
Absolutely, guys. Got to pull it for you earlier. Where are you hunting at?
I'm gonna be in Southeast Ohio.
Man, I hope you guys kill some great birds.
Thank you so much. Get all your hunting needs at mikesarchery.com.